Hey y'all, Ashley here from Ashley Bright Crafts, and today I am making a project for Hip Kit Club using their October kits. And actually I've already made quite a few projects with these kits, and this is probably going to be my last project I make with these actually before I put them away. I'm recording this a bit early in the month, that's the 4th, but I've already made quite a few projects for the remainder of the month, so by now I've got lots of scraps from this kit. So I thought today I would just use scrap paper only and some of the Jen Hadfield products that I have still left over. There's a couple things I haven't used too much of from Jen Hadfield yet, so I figured that's what I would use today. So what I started off with off camera was just cutting my scrap paper down into 3x3 inch squares, and I did some initial scoring as well so I can fold them into these little envelope shapes to use as embellishments. You could also tuck these into tuck in journaling on a layout if you wanted to, or tuck in little notes for packaging. I probably will use them that way actually for this month, just to tuck in like little notes to your recipient about what you're gifting them. But yeah, the two sides I scored at 1 inch away from the edge, and then the bottom I scored 1¼ inch up from the bottom. You don't have to do the scoring, but I do find that it helps with some of this thicker paper to do that. So now I'm just folding over everything and gluing down using some wet glue just to form my envelope shapes, and and just form like the base of all of these. And these are all Simple Stories Cozy Days paper. I used a lot of Simple Stories already. I thought that collection was so cute. It's so cute with all the little animals, and other icons were just like really cute. There's also lots of like florals, lots of pink in it still, even though it's like, you know, definitely a fall collection, but yeah, really really cute. And then from there I thought I would initially I pull out some washi, and I do add that on a couple envelopes. But yeah, initially I thought I was going to use these Jen Hadfield's the Jen Hadfield floral pack to stuff all of these envelopes up with like a bunch of florals, and I think that would still be like a really cute idea. I just think like the sizing of the florals didn't really work, so I ended up instead going more so to the sticker book. So yeah, I just thought the sizing of this was much better. So yeah, I'm going to pull out a couple of these floral stickers. I'll have like each of the different colored envelopes I have two of each, so I'll have them kind of match each other. So yeah, these two I have like the same kind of floral pattern on both of them, and then I'll pop up a little like phrase sticker onto some foam tape and have that popped up. And then, yeah, that's for these first two. And then I do end up actually, I think for the next two, going more to just like things that I've got laying around my desk. So, you know, I still have like just some remaining chipboard from Simple Stories laying around. I did a lot of fussy cutting with this month's kit, so I fussy cut a lot of the like foxes out. I fussy cut a lot of the florals from the crepe paper, fresh bouquet paper that we received. So yeah, like those envelopes that were just there, the teapot, the fox, that floral that you see, like all that is all fussy cut out. So I've just got like the remaining bits around my desk, so I'm trying to incorporate those into at least a couple of these envelopes too. And then yeah, after that I will go back to the sticker book and I'll pull out more of the houses. I'll pull out more of the florals, yeah, and I'll make sure to link information on the kits in the description box below. I'm sure by the time this video comes out, there's probably not much left of the October kits. Definitely see if there's anything available on the November kits, though. I'm sure a lot of that is also probably also sold out, but if there's anything available, I would definitely check that out and see if you can pick up anything, because I will say, you know, I'm biased because Christmas crafting is my favorite, but or like one of my favorites, I guess, but yeah, I think I've been receiving kits from Hip Kit Club now for like a year and a half, and last year's November kits were definitely some of like my all-time favorites ever. They're just so cute, you know. It's lots of Hip Kit Club exclusives, and so there's only so many like Christmas collections that you see people crafting with primarily, and yeah, it's really like fun to have like, you know, just like unique ephemera that you're using in your projects, and they're always so cute. I saw that they had some of like the little mice with like little lights and stuff. They had that last year too, and I thought that was just like adorable. And they have lots of other like really cute little icons and ephemera and things. And actually, by the time this video goes up, I probably will have already received or pretty close to receiving the November kits, and so I might have an unboxing video up on my channel by now or in the next couple days. But yeah, anyways, back to fall crafting. We're not quite done with that yet. So yeah, back to these guys. So like I said, I pulled out some of the houses from the Jen Hanfeld sticker book too, and yeah, I layered like 3 of them on each of these 2 envelopes. Popped up the middle one on some foam tape, and then just gonna add a little phrase sticker here, and then I'll have the last 2 to finish off. So these last 2 I pulled kind of the same idea as the first 2. So I pulled 2 like very similar florals, this time more in like a blue scheme, and then I add like the floral clusters from the sticker book, and then I add a like phrase sticker on top, pop that up. And then the last thing I'll do, just so I have something to write like my little notes on and everything, is I'll go to the Pocket Life kit and I'll just pull out some matching Pocket Life cards and cut those down to size. I think it's like 2 inches. Yeah, I think it's like 2 inches by 2 inches, 2 inch by 2 inch squares from the Pocket Life kit cards. And yeah, then I'll stuff those cards into each of these little envelopes, and I'll have a little journaling spot for all of these, or like a little note spot. So yeah, here is me tucking in all of those little squares, and I hope you liked watching this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.